Hello, friends. Welcome back to our channel. If you're subscribed to DoorDash and thinking about canceling your membership, you might be unsure where exactly to find that option in the app. Many users sign up for DashPass to save on delivery fees, but when it's time to cancel, the setting can feel a bit hidden or confusing. You might scroll through multiple menus or worry about being charged again if you don't cancel properly. The good thing is that the option is available directly inside the app. You just need to follow the right path. Once you know where to go, canceling your DoorDash subscription only takes a minute and ensures you won't be billed for the next cycle. Try these. Step 1. Open the DoorDash app on your phone. Step 2. Tap on your profile icon in the corner. Step 3. Select Manage Dash Pass or Subscriptions. Step 4. Tap on your active Dash Pass plan. Step 5. Choose Cancel Membership. Step 6. Confirm the cancellation to complete the process.